Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 408 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's find the security and biometrics. Then let's scroll down to find encryption and credentials, and as you can see at the very bottom we've got the option clear credentials. However, in my case it is inactive because I've already removed the credentials, but no worries, in your case it will be active. You will be able to simply tap on it and remove the credentials. Just confirm it with OK and probably with the pattern PIN or password if you've got the screen lock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.